Hey guys, welcome back to another Coin Form video. In today's video, we're talking about a good Samsung week savings that we have going on right now on Boost Mobile's website. So this is for Boost Mobile prepaid. So yeah, there it is, guys. It's on their official website. This does end in about 2 days from the making of this video. It ends March 8th, 2022. So it says it's Samsung week. That's why they're only having it for a couple days. So it says save up to $400 off Samsung phones. So let's go ahead and see what the savings is. So it says shop phones. Alright, so here we go, guys. It's mainly showing the A12, A13 5G, which is a nice phone, and the Galaxy S21. So pretty cool. Restrictions do apply, says so. Here's some of it's basically all Samsung. So the AO2, guys, it's 70 bucks off. Wow, look at that. $109. So let's say 110, you're getting it for $40, guys. So best time to upgrade. This is for current and new customers. So if you're a current customer with Boost Mobile, you can get these savings. It's what it's supported. So a new AO3S, it's $120. You can get it for $60 right now, which is a really good price. Samsung A13 5G, it's $250. You get it for $100, which is nice. All right, now we're getting to the big boys. $300 off the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. It says save up to $300. The S22 Plus, as you can see, does retail for $1,000. You're gonna get it for $700. Just depends on storage and everything. So pretty cool. S21 FE, the fan edition, guys, is a newer phone as well. Really good price. People are sleeping on this phone right now. It's $700. You get for $400 on Boost Mobile, guys. Really good. I would snatch that up personally for a personal phone if I didn't already have a phone. So the Samsung A71 is still a good phone. 5G, guys, $180 off. $430, you get it for $250. Good savings. Galaxy A12, another good one. So $180, you get it for $70. The Samsung A32 5G, guys, another real good banger. $280, you get it for $150. You're saving $130 off that phone. Really good price. The Samsung S21 5G, another good one, a newer phone that came out, retails for $800 anywhere you go. But Boost Mobile, they got you on this savings deal promotion. You can get it for $500, guys. Really good price. Now look at these over here. The Samsung Z Flip 3, guys. $1,000, you save $400. Yep, $400 off this phone. You get it for $600. You're not gonna find that anywhere cheaper. Look at that, the Fold, $1,800. You're saving $400, guys. You're getting it for $1,400. And with that extra $400, you could pay a lot, basically a big chunk of your service for many months. Now they still do have a Galaxy S10 renewed, so like pre-owned phone, you get it for $250. Then, ooh, look at these phones already sold out. So there's an A21 renewed for, instead of $200, you get a $130. But check this out, guys. The S22, real popular phone, $800. You get it for $600. You're saving good money right there. You're saving $200. Now, of course, the one that everybody wants is S22 Ultra. It's already out of stock due to popular demand, guys. It's $1,200. You're getting it here for $800. So you're saving $400 on that phone, guys. Really good. I mean, let's check this bad boy out, man. Like I said, a lot of people want it. In both memory sizes, they're sold out. Both colors as well. So check this color out. So I know in the store this phone's been selling really good, but Samsung, man, with the whole chip shortage does have issues keeping this phone in stock. Like I said, you're saving $400, man, for $800. That's a steal. Of course, you get a 6.8-inch screen, 108 megapixel camera, 40 hours of talk time, 128 gigs of storage, Android 12. Look at that. You can shoot an 8K video, guys. Pretty cool. You also get the S Pen. Remember the pen? You also get the S Pen. So real nice. I mean, they're really advertising this phone. They're really pushing it. Samsung does amazing job. I mean, there's out of the ballpark with their phones. And of course, you can write, sketch, edit. Whoa. It says low light, no problem. So that's how it looks with low light. Boom, they got you. That just brightens up the whole image. It looks really nice. And of course, you can shoot 8K. I believe it's only for about a minute. At least that's how long the other one was. So pretty cool, guys. Of course, the newest chip processor on there. Man. The battery's another cool thing with the fast charging. You can get, I believe, a 45-watt charging wall adapter, but that thing is $50, so a lot of people probably won't get it that much. It is water and splash resistant, it looks like. Let's just look at the quick specs. So it does have a 5,000 milliamp battery, guys. 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. Wow. It says or 12 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage. Wow. So if you get the 128 gig storage, you're only getting 8 gigs of RAM. If you get the 256 gigs of storage, you get 12 gigs of RAM. It says Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Wow. Here's the 3 cameras that has. Well, a couple cameras actually. 108 megapixel wide, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with 10 times optic zoom, 10 megapixel tele, 3 times optical zoom, and a 40 megapixel front facing camera, guys. Wow. Of course, big boy is a 6.8 inch Infinity O Quad HD plus dynamic AMOLED 2 times display. Crazy. Does have Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type C, Samsung Pay, wireless charging 2.0, and wireless power share as well. So really cool, guys. Let me know in the comments below. If you want to save extra money, you can check out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that finds you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic, guys. The day is really good. Check out the description below. I got a lot of errands to do. So take care, guys. A lot more videos coming your way. Thank you.